Welcome to Service Data Solutions DMS version 5. DMS version 5 is the next generation copy data management solution with features for rapid data protection and recovery, depth and QA copy lifecycle management with automation, and remote replication for legacy and for cloud environments. The DMS version 5 consists of redundant TDI nodes that perform seamless and transparent zero-downtime data path interception of the production environment for both Fibre Channel and iSCSI SANs. The I/O streams are then mirrored synchronously or periodically to the Phoenix server nodes here, where they form a fully deduped unique block repository, so that the mirror and compressed data is stored strictly once on any secondary storage that are attached here. A set of copy data management or CDM policies can be defined to dictate how frequent to perform snapshot or to further replicate the data to other Phoenix nodes that are local or remote at a different data center, or even to the clouds. The data protection and recovery is strictly on changed blocks. A mapping of block level changes is kept so that in the case of a catastrophic volume corruption or ransomware attack, the original data is repaired surgically in minutes instead of fully mirrored back, which may take hours or days. With built-in cloud and VM support, the DMS version 5 is truly a hyper-converged copy data management solution. This is the lab system with a Windows host and Fibre Channel storage from XtremIO and InfiniteBox at the Syosset Lab, intercepted by the TDI and mirrored to the Phoenix or DGS node. Replication is then established to the AWS Ohio region, and from there, the data is further replicated to the Oregon region. Here is the Windows host, representing an enterprise-class application system such as an Oracle app. At the Disk Manager, we see a number of LUNs. These are XtremIO or InfiniteBox. For this demo, we shall use DMS to create a local policy to protect these four dry letters D, E, F, and G, and Iometer is used to drive traffic throughout the process. An additional drive with some file data is also protected by another CDM policy, and we shall use this to show off replicating to the cloud. Logging into the Phoenix box at the Syosset Fibre Channel Lab, we see that here is the Windows box discovered by the TDI nodes with live Fibre Channel traffic going on. Here are the drives D, E, F, and G, and here's drive L. We are now all ready to create our first copy data management or CDM policy to protect these drives.